what?
Is this changing?
No. Still the same. Don't kick it, anak. Mm. Really? I will a little improvement now. Slow. Like we need bigger than that, huh?
Emergency pump.
Well, that's better than nothing.
You gotta look for a side. Remember, you have a wrinkle right here. You have a wrinkle right here.
Yeah, yeah. That's better than nothing, you know? It's like, if we don't have that one, we have to sit here and waiting for bigger.
You're getting here and there. Look.
I know, yeah. I see the difference now. So, ayan. Huh? What are you? Yeah. No. No, it's the problem is here. Here. Wow, I like your Rainbow Dash shoes. Crocs. Yung anak ko nagising lang. Natulog pa yan sa sasakyan eh. Kaso nagising lang yan dahil sa ingay nito. Maingay itong maliit na to. Ano daw yan eh? 300. What? Your what? Oh, wow. Look at you. What's that? Ah, okay. What's this? What's this? Why you have this one? Huh? Your doctor? Yesterday? Does she give you a lollipop? No? Oh my God. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Huh? Mermaid? You just wave your hand? I see your shadow. Look, I see your shadow. What's that? Scarecrow? What? A Halloween? Oh! So that's why I see a lot of costumes, huh? Halloween? Halloween daw. Halloween! It's Halloween, it's Halloween, it's Halloween. I didn't say anything. Yeah. Medyo okay na. Medyo kusgan po dahil na siya. Pero kami, waiting pa kami with vlog a little.
Summertime, there are a lot of nails, people doing the roof and stuff falling in the road.
Almost there. Right? Huh? Huh? Huh?
I thought maybe I might drive it, maybe I might not.
Oh, this one?
Drink a lot of gas, I might drive it, I might not. I don't know.
So what car we're going to use? Oh, a lot of cars, right? A lot of cars. Oy. Airplane, anak. Ha? I see the airplane. Good morning. Ha? That's original too.
What do you mean original?
Original Crocs. Problema. With the socks. So, ito siya dito. Ayan, naka-charge doon para gumana. Ha? Na-stress naman yan siya guys kasi nga anong oras na nandito pa kami sa bahay. Pagpasok, paano kasi pagpunta namin dito, yan, pagtingin niya, uy, na-flat yung gulong. Ang ligid na flat. So yan, tawag rin siya, tawag. Tapos tanaw niya sa amo ang trunk. Buti na meron to. We don't need help. Yung sa naman yun, nag-aso-aso lagi na siya. Nakita ninyo yung smoke, guys. Yung smoke, yung aso, ganang aso. Ano siguro na turog-turog. Malapit naman na. Konti na lang, konting kembot. Nag-smoke na siya, nag-smoke.
Turn off.
Okay.
Then lift this up to take it up. This one right here. Lift it. No. The little one. Right. Right here. Pull.
What? Are you scared?
It's hot.
It's hot. So, yeah, I know, I can tell.
Good job.
I see the difference now. So, is this good enough to...
Feel it. That's why it's smoking. Feel the hose.
Honestly, I wanna touch it. I wanna touch earlier, but I'm scared. That's why.
Do his job.
Yeah.
Okay, you can't go inside.
Come on, let's go inside. Dali na. Huh? Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Great. Come on, my love. Ayan na guys, punta na kami ng shop. Ayan, pwede na siya. Say bye-bye vlog na. Say bye vlog. Boy, come on, let's go inside. Alis na kami guys. Balik punta na kami ng shop. So, okay na. Pwede na siyang pagtiyagaan. Makaabot kami sa aming shop. Yan. Sabi ng asawa ko, bakit hindi mo enough? Nag-aso-aso na pala. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman alam. Mahirap na walang alam guys. Uy, ginook ko. Ha? Go to your dad. So, ayan, diri na ta. Ako ang anak, dili pa mo sulod. Ako ang anak, dili pa mo sulod. Kaya wala pa yung daddy nandun sa loob. Nagtawag pa sa aming trabahador. Aka. Ayun guys, yun lang ang aming video for today. Late na kami. Nung oras na. Magna-9 na. Naanuhan lang kami dito sa aming tire. Sa aming gulong na flat. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching our videos. Maraming salamat po sa walang saan pag-suporta na aming channel. I love you all. Bye-bye. Mag-ingat ho kayo. Mag-ingat ho tayo palagi. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.